Photoshop's landscape underwent a revolutionary transformation due to the influence of AI with the integration of Adobe Firefly. Adobe introduced Generative Fill, a groundbreaking feature that enables users to seamlessly direct Photoshop's actions using the power of AI and natural language. Also, Adobe Firefly, the widely acclaimed AI image generator, has now become accessible to a broader audience. This sought-after tool is now available to all individuals, requiring nothing more than an Adobe ID to get started. Key AI announcements from Microsoft Build 2023 include integration of Bing plugins into Windows, incorporation of Bing browsing capabilities into ChatGPT, integration of GitHub Copilot into Windows Terminal, introduction of an AI hub, launch of Dev Home, integration of Windows 11 AI Copilot. A notable update is the inclusion of a new AI agent within the taskbar of all Windows machines. Meta, along with Mark Zuckerberg, unveils a groundbreaking initiative called Massively Multilingual Speech. This innovative project, made available as open source, possesses the ability to identify a remarkable 4,000 languages online using advanced software.
ये तकनीक हर 100 ले अधिक भाषा तक ही सीमित रहेगी.
Udah, Bo.
Tarik ya.
The workforce witnessed a historic milestone as the first AI-powered robot made its official entry. Supported by OpenAI, 1X has taken the lead, surpassing even Elon Musk's Tesla, by introducing the first humanoid robot to operate in a professional setting. Their revolutionary EVE robot has been successfully integrated as a security guard across various manufacturing sites. Figure reveals a significant achievement of securing $70 million in series of funding. The company is actively engaged in the development of a versatile humanoid robot, with the potential to assume diverse responsibilities traditionally carried out by humans. It has been an eventful week, particularly in the realm of robotics. Google's AI solution, Flamingo VLM, addresses the issues in YouTube Shorts. In a recent development, Google combined its renowned entities, DeepMind and Google Brain, to form Google DeepMind. The team behind this integration has provided valuable information about Flamingo, a powerful VLM that generates descriptions for YouTube Shorts. Google has introduced a new audio model called Soundstorm. This advanced model is capable of generating audio with the same level of quality as Audio LM, while offering improved consistency. Remarkably, it operates at a speed that is 100 times faster, and can generate 30 seconds of audio in just half a second when utilizing a TPU v4.
Did you hear about Google's paper on Soundstorm?
No, I must have missed it. What's it about?
Well, it's a parallel decoder for efficient audio generation, so it can even be used to generate dialogues.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, like this one was generated by Soundstorm.
Wait, what?
Following the approval from the FDA, Neuralink, the brain implant venture led by Elon Musk, is set to commence its inaugural clinical study involving human participants. Neuralink's objective revolves around assisting individuals with visual impairments and addressing various neurological disorders. Notably, they accomplished a significant milestone by implanting chips in a monkey named Pager, enabling him to control a video game solely through his thoughts. The accompanying video demonstrates how he effectively utilizes his brain as a controller. Thanks to the aid of AI, Swiss researchers have achieved a remarkable feat by assisting a paralyzed individual in regaining command over his lower body. By developing a digital bridge connecting the man's brain and spinal cord, circumventing the effects of injuries, they have enabled him to resume walking. The scientists effectively captured the man's cognitive patterns and, employing an AI thought decoder, converted them into spinal cord stimulation, thereby reinstating voluntary movement. Even when the implant was deactivated, he demonstrated indications of neurological improvement as he continued to walk.